Hi and welcome everybody. This is Daniela and I'm your next stop for the National Scrapbook Day YouTube hub. And I want to show you how my layout came together that I created with the February kits. And of course, it's also a sketch-based layout. You can see the sketch in the album in the Facebook group. And now I want to show you how my page came together. So as you can see, I started my page by applying some light blue color here in the middle of the white cardstock, and I cut off 1 inch so that I can have a kind of frame around my layout. And yeah, that's a thing that I do quite often. I know, but yeah, I like the effect. So that is something that yeah mm, a very simple little step that makes a big difference. And yeah, I like how the different blue tones coordinate together, and the dark blue star pattern paper is so pretty that I wanted to have it here as a frame around my layout. Okay, so you see now I also added some blue, darker blue color splashes, and that is my background. I felt that the wood grain paper looks so nice in combination with the picture because of all the sand that we have in the picture. And yeah, that is just a nice way of combining picture with paper that fits the colors. And now I can start to embellish my layout. So first of all, of course, here is the title today, and in my sketch I have one big title next to the picture, and then I have one element on the other side next to the picture. And first of all, I thought maybe I can put some um, fuzzy cut hearts there as well, but then yeah, I decided to have them only here on top and below the picture. So I'm just I just placed them there randomly, and afterwards I figured something out for the other element next to the picture. And in the February kits we have so many different phrases in the die cut phrases, and I love using them because this way you can add certain feelings and information to your layouts. And we have lots of blue die cuts in here. So this time I wanted to create a masculine look, so I went for all the blues. And yeah, that is something that I love about February kits. We have beautiful pink and floral pieces, but we also have all this blue stuff so that we can make boys layouts as well. And hearts are something that you can use for both, of course, girls and boys. And actually I think that you can use almost everything with girly pages, but it's kind of hard to find all the right bits and pieces for masculine pages. And yeah, the hip kits here offer us great opportunity to scrap away our boys' pictures, and yeah, that's what I did in this case. Um, I guess I haven't talked about the love tag that we have in the die cuts, and I have to admit that I love this one quite a lot. I love the yeah, the love punched out thing here about the tag. And now I just added one of the clear stickers and another die cut, and this way we have a kind of mixed media look. And I think that this goes together perfectly with the mixed media background. So here we have another element that looks like color, and yeah, now I just want to have a nice bow here in the sewing yarn. Sometimes this really drives me crazy, but in the end it works out. So now I also want to add some tiny details like another heart, and then we have black and white hearts with different patterns, dots, polka dots and stripes, and I add some of them here and there so that the cluster becomes more interesting. And yeah, so these are just tiny details, but I like the black and white parts a lot. So yeah, just a few of them here and there. Okay, so now I also want to have a handwritten journaling, of course. That is always important to me. I write down the most important facts about the picture or the event, or yeah, a little memory that I want to remember in future. And then I also added some shiny enamel dots here in blue as well. And then I think that I have everything together. I want to adhere my cardstock to the background paper, of course, and yeah, so that's my layout. Well, actually, you've got lots of inspiration during the weekend, and I hope that you feel inspired and have fun during the hop. And of course, I can't wait to see what you create, and I'm stalking the album to see all your creations, and there will be a lucky winner, of course. So if you leave a comment here or comments for the other ladies, you've got the chance to win a gift certificate for the shop. And of course, you also can play along with a sketch challenge for your chance to win. And I hope that you're lucky. Well, thanks so much for stopping by. Your next stop is Emily, so have fun watching her process video. And yeah, happy scrapping. Bye bye.